Hello everyone, this is Namita Basrotra, and in this video I will be showing you one very interesting app for the pre-primary kids. And I have been receiving requests from the teachers who are teaching pre-primary children that how they can do backward counting or how they can do place values, especially during the online classes. So here we go. So name of the app is Number Pieces. So first you go on the Google and type Number Pieces, like here, Number Pieces app, and when you choose that, so you will this app is created by Math Learning Center and it is absolutely free. So you click on that and it takes you to a new window where you have an option to use an Apple App Store, Chrome App Store, or an open web app. I will be using it's an open web app here, and there we go. Here we have the app with us. Now, as you can see clearly that we have ones over here, then tens, and then again tens, and then hundreds. So there are different pieces over here, and you can see there are vertical pieces also and horizontal pieces also. And after that you would see these are called the edge pieces, which are there if you want to show anything in array. So another thing is, before we begin or we think of any activity, there is an option to choose a color. So what I like about it, and you can really choose the colors that you like, and it's not that the colors they have given, you can change these colors also later. I'll show you how you can change the colors. But even while you begin, you can either keep a single color, same thing for ones, tens and hundreds, or if you want to keep different shades for ones, tens and hundreds, you can just click on the button over here. Now I'll show you that how you can change. For example, I have taken hundreds board and I want to change the color of this board. What will I do? I can go to these color drops here and I can choose any one drop and choose the color that I want. I can go for green. So it is up to you that which color you want to choose for hundreds or which color. It gives you an option to do that. It also gives you an option to break the pieces, and I want to show you for hundreds how does it happen. So if you want to break the pieces of 100, for example, you have to do subtraction. So what will you do? So you want to subtract something from 100, so you'll take 100 piece, and after that you want to break the piece and take a few pieces out of it. So if you just click tap once on it, what will happen? It will break the pieces into tens. Can you see? These are all tens, and if I want to remove one piece, so out of that, so I can clearly take one piece, take it away from here. But then like this, okay. But then if you want to break the pieces not in tens but in ones, so to click it once again like this. So what happens? All the pieces now are broken in once, and you can just take away out of this. You can just click on it and take one piece out of it. That it can be a very good substitute of ABACUS that you use to introduce the place values to the children. And also at the bottom there are some options here which I will be teaching you one by one, that what all can be done using these options. I'm going to show you something that most of the teachers have been asking me, is how we can do backward counting in pre-primary classes. So this app is the best. So what you can do is you can simply drag, I'll just show you, let's just drag one tens, and and I want to rotate it. I can rotate it through using this bar. So I just click on this and then try to rotate it. It's possible. Now there's another thing, good thing about it is that, for example, I try to make 20 over here. So I take two tens, that is 20, right? And now from here, if I want to introduce backward counting, or I want to do an activity based on backward counting, so what will I do? I will first break the pieces and then click on the other one and break the pieces. So now you know it is 20. If you want, you can write the text here and show that this is 20 and 2020. And after that, you just drag your 20 under it. Yeah. And now from 20, you start taking out. It's possible to remove one. So the backward counting, now the children can count at how much is left. So they can clearly see for the backward counting what is happening is that we are removing one and we're making them count. And they're also seeing that now 19 is smaller than 20. And then we are simply removing one after another, ones and making them count. So this is so easy and fantastic. But Now the good thing about it is that you can add, subtract, multiply and divide using this app. First thing you have to do is you have to tap and click onto the board here. Like you just tap and click and it will clearly come to your board, you see, and I just tap and click and it comes out quickly on its own to the board. And another thing is you can also drag and bring it to the board. So there are two ways of bringing to the board, and you just see, and let me just show it to you once again. So it's very interesting, and you can also change size of these pieces by choosing the option over here. So can you see this zoom in and zoom out button? Yes, so you just click on that and see, there we go, this is one smaller, so that means I can ask more questions over here. So there is an option to clear the screen. So let me go over here, and this means you have to start all over again. So you can just click on this and I say yes. Okay, let me just again take one, create a number. For example, let's take 122. So 100 and this is 20. So let me bring it over here and 2. So I will be just bringing my, this is 122. Now for example, you want to add some science, mathematical science, that's also possible by just writing here. And I also want to increase the size of it, that's possible. See, I can do that. So maybe you can create your worksheets like this. I want to make some copies of it, even that is possible. But the most beautiful thing I like about this app is, let me show you. You can simply take your text box here, and you want to add a question, you can just simply type that add the following. So like that, you can simply write the text here and create a question for the children. Done. You want to change the color? Yes, I can. I want to choose. You can choose a color and drag it on the top. And now, can you see? I can always increase the size of it. Take it the way I place it wherever I want on the screen. And after that, I can simply click on the pieces and create a number. Now I'll take 3 tens. So I want to use the HP scissors. I will be just dragging this and I'll try to make an array to show them there are just 3 of them. So I will be writing 3 over here, and I want to show on the vertical side that I have 10 over here. So this is how you can simply try to show the array or the H pieces, by that a child can multiply. You can also, this can lead to another question where you can just expand it and ask the children that how many more tens will be required in this. So like that, there are multiple options we can use it, but the most beautiful thing about this app is that it gives us an option to share a code, or another thing is that you can print the image. So with this, when you save it as an image, then definitely you can use it as a worksheet in your classrooms. So you can use these number pieces and make some worksheets for your class children, colorful ones, the way you like it, by changing the colors here. And there is an option of copy link, and then you can share it, do it as online teaching or give it as a homework. It's your choice. So with this is Namita Visnotra. I hope you will be using this, especially for the backward counting, and I will be coming up with more apps for you. Till then, bye-bye.